Hi, I'm Phil Rogofsky, founder and executive director of the Maryland STEM Festival, and I'm very excited to be here at Mindgrub as they are running a great event for Patterson High School from Baltimore City. They've got a lot of cool activities to demonstrate to the kids, showing them many different areas of technology and showing what the possibilities are for these kids in their future. So thank you, Mindgrub, and looking forward to many more years working with you.
You're going to see some of our robots and other things physically around the office, and hopefully we'll show you some of the digital tools that we make and work with as well. So thanks for being here. Welcome to our home. Our home is your home, and we hope you have a great time.
So, got in the world of tech, and I've been in it for almost 30 years. It is more than just fun, exciting stuff. It's a great group of people. It's a family that you meet. You've got people these are the smartest people I've ever met in my life, and they teach me stuff every day. But you learn how to solve problems, how to make things work for other people, and the rewards you get by creating technology to help people in their everyday. Most people that have iPhones or Androids or computers or anything, we do a lot of work that help the everyday person make their lives easier. So that's a really, really cool thing.
Hi, I'm Jason Michael Perry, the man with 3 first names and the CTO of Mindgrub, and I am at Mindgrub's STEMfest with Patterson High School. So wonderful to have the opportunity to mold and help to show high school students what's possible and to really give them the opportunity to see what they can do with technology and also the possible jobs and opportunities that there are there in the future. It's so great to really inspire the children of tomorrow.
My favorite part has been the engineering part because I'm still interested in aerospace engineering because I love engineering in general, and so I like the creating and designing stuff. And so when I got into the robotics area, I felt really happy, I guess, because I really like engineering and I really like building stuff.
When I was growing up, I knew about engineering, but I didn't know there was a lot of different types of engineering. So right now, I'm still figuring out what type of engineer I want to do. Thank you, Mindgrub, for having us.